front of me is Oppo A40 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then click on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left one. Then copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard instead and tap on your text over here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your text and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it though, tap on the pen, click on your text and use pin icon instead of a pin one. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!